How to buy Roblox Premium with gift card. So now let's get started. So first of all, you need to have the Roblox application installed in your mobile device. So simply go ahead and search for it and also make sure that it's updated to its latest version available. Now, once you're in the home page and the Roblox application is completely launched, tap on the More option from the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, from this page, select gift cards that you will find between the Create and About option in the right side of the screen. Tap on it. This will take you to the section of the gift card. And here you need to simply go ahead, tap on the Redeem Card option in the top right corner of the screen. But before that, from the drop-down menu that appears just beside that, simply go ahead and select your country and then tap on Redeem Card. This will open a web browser, and here you just need to go ahead and tap on the code section. Redeem your code and you will add the gift card amount as credit to your Roblox account. And to buy premium, you need to go back and tap on Premium and then click on Get Premium. Choose the premium plan and then click on Subscribe Now, and the cost will be deducted from your Roblox credit card. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.